Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the skies of the future with one of the most advanced and mysterious aircrafts ever developed, the 2025 MiG-41 Fighter Jet. Known as the next-generation interceptor, the MiG-41 isn't just another aircraft. It's a symbol of futuristic Russian aerospace engineering and a true successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound. Built to dominate both the atmosphere and the edge of space, this jet promises to redefine what air superiority means in the modern era. The MiG-41, also referred to as the PAK DP, Prospective Air Complex for Long-Range Interception, is designed to replace the aging fleet of MiG-31s that have served Russia for decades. But unlike its predecessor, the MiG-41 brings stealth, hypersonic speed, and advanced electronic warfare systems into play. Reports suggest that this aircraft can reach speeds exceeding Mach 4.3, which means it could cover an entire country in just minutes. To put that into perspective, it's nearly twice as fast as the F-22 Raptor and could potentially outpace even the most advanced surface-to-air missiles. What makes the MiG-41 truly stand out is its design philosophy. It's not just an interceptor, it's a multi-domain combat platform capable of operating in near-space conditions. Its airframe reportedly features composite stealth materials and plasma stealth technology that makes it nearly invisible to radar. The jet's advanced infrared suppression system reduces its heat signature, allowing it to sneak up on targets undetected even at incredible speeds. With its hypersonic cruise capability, the MiG-41 can intercept ballistic missiles, stealth aircraft, and even low-orbit satellites, a capability that no existing jet currently possesses. Inside the cockpit, the pilot would have access to cutting-edge avionics, including AI-assisted targeting and flight systems that analyze threats in real time. The aircraft is expected to carry next-generation hypersonic missiles such as the R-37M and potentially even directed energy weapons in the future. Its radar system, based on active electronically scanned array AESA technology, offers extreme detection range and precision tracking, making it one of the most formidable interceptors in existence. The MiG-41's range is another remarkable aspect. It's said to exceed 1,500 kilometers, allowing it to defend massive airspaces without needing constant refueling. There are even rumors about a drone-compatible version that could operate autonomously, expanding its operational versatility and endurance. If those reports prove true, the MiG-41 could represent a leap toward the era of AI-assisted aerial warfare. As of 2025, the MiG-41 project remains highly secretive, with limited official details released. However, experts believe it's currently in advanced testing stages and might enter service before the end of the decade. Whether it's flying at the edge of space or intercepting enemy missiles mid-flight, one thing is certain: the MiG-41 is shaping up to be one of the most powerful fighter jets ever conceived. The future of aerial combat has arrived, and it's flying under the name MiG-41. So, what do you think? Will the MiG-41 redefine global air dominance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the world's most advanced military technology.